Hello everybody, today we are doing questions from inverse trigonometry. Let us see the first question. First question is prove that 3 sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube where x belongs to minus half half. So we have to prove that 3 sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So to prove this, consider RHS, which is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Now let x is equals to sin theta. So therefore RHS is equal to sin inverse 3, instead of x put sin theta, minus 4 sin cube theta. Now we can use the trigonometric identity which says that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So using this we have our RHS is equal to sin inverse sin 3 theta, and therefore RHS is equal to 3 theta. Now we have x is equals to sin theta. This implies theta is equals to sin inverse x. So this is 3 sin inverse x, and this is equal to LHS. So this is how we can prove the first part. Now for second part we have to prove that 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to half 1, closed interval half 1. So to prove this, consider RHS, which is equals to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Now let x is equals to cos theta. So if x is equals to cos theta, then RHS is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now we can use the trigonometric identity which says that cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So using this we have RHS is equals to cos inverse cos 3 theta. So therefore it becomes 3 theta now, and theta is cos inverse x. So we have shown what was required. Now let us see third part. Third part asks us to prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. So to prove this we will be using the trigonometric identity tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Alright, so now consider LHS, and it is equals to tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Now by the above formula, this is equals to tan inverse 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24, and this is further equal to tan inverse 48 plus 77 by 264 minus 14. Alright, and this is equal to tan inverse 125 by 250, and this is clearly equal to tan inverse 1 by 2, and this is nothing but our RHS. So this is how we can prove third part. Now let us consider fourth part. It says us to prove that 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equals to tan inverse 31 by 17. So what is 2 tan inverse half? First of all we have to find that. So we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now using this, tan inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x plus x by 1 minus x into x, and therefore 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Alright, so we have the formula for 2 tan inverse x also. Now consider LHS, which is equals to 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So now using this formula, we have 2 tan inverse half is equals to tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus tan inverse 1 by 7, and this is equals to tan inverse 2 by 2 get cancelled, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, and this is further equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, which is equal to, using this trigonometric formula, tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 minus divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7, and this is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. So this is how we can prove the fourth part. Thank you.